welcome back to another video. Today we're doing quarantine day one, you can call this. This is about probably the third or fourth day already since I'm stuck at home. But yeah, this is quarantine weekend. You could say that because I'm still working. Um, my work is considered essential. Um, don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more Turbius deals. Yeah, today we're gonna be doing some tire rotation on my vehicle. Like I said, I have nothing to do, so I just might as well do something. So tire rotation, it was about due, and we're gonna be cleaning the wheels, and we're gonna be painting the calipers. Just actually, those weren't my plans, but now since I did it, because it's the wheels were off, and this truck is like these wheels are like super big and heavy. So I already had them off. Might as well clean them. And might as well make it a nice looking, paint the calipers red or something like that. Anyways, like we said, right there, I'm jacking up the back. I already put the two jack stands on the front. If you guys know any other place better to put those jack stands, let me know down in the comments. I'm fairly new to this vehicle. This vehicle has a lot of plastic. I mean, I did as best as I could. I found the strongest pieces of metal I could find under that big old plastic cover that it has in there. It's hard to see with that plastic. I wonder why they put so much plastic on these bottom of the trucks. But yeah, pretty much that's the best anchor that I could find. You know, the thicker materials, so I could put those jack stands. And right there, I'm just using the Bauer impact gun to take those off. Some reason my socket was sticking to the lug nuts. It's probably because it's not the right size. Yeah, I know I gotta probably get the right size, or I gotta get an impact rated socket. And that's what I used to paint the calipers. I used high temperature paint, which is engine paint. Basically, it's a red. It's a bright red. I already had all this stuff, by the way. Had plans to, and that's the brake cleaner. I already had all this stuff like for years in my house, and I just decided to do it now because it's actually I was gonna do this on my previous truck, and I never did it. Never had time. So just cleaning it out, you know, with some rag, and then just not really a detailed paint, but you know, I try to just put clean it as much as I could, you know, not to get the paint everywhere. And then here we're using wax. It's pretty much the wax I use on my vehicle. It's the turtle wax. Using it to buff these rims or these wheels, make them just look nicer and cleaner and protect them. And I gotta say, I'm really impressed with this thing, especially with these wheels. I mean, my wheels are not really good taken care of. They're kind of scratched. They have a few scratches here and there, and you're gonna see that. Obviously, it's not gonna go away. But I gotta say, overall, I'm very impressed with how clean, how protective, and how shiny these wheels look after the spray, as you guys could see there. And these tires are huge. They are 33s, by the way. This is a 20-inch rim. It's a stock rim for this Chevy Silverado. I gotta say, this is a really heavy this rim and tire. I did have a hard time. You guys don't see that in the video, but I'm not going to show you guys that. Yeah, the newspaper is flying down because I had the newspaper on the bottom, so I wouldn't get my my floor dirty. But anyways, but yeah, these thing wheels are hard. You gotta do them. You gotta sit on the floor, and you got put both of your feet on each side of the wheel or the tire, and help yourself with your toes or with your feet. Help yourself move that tire and that wheel up and align it with those holes. I gotta say, it did took a lot of energy, but I got to practice. As you guys could see, I'm really impressed with this. What is it? Turtle wax, um, edge or something like that. The blue bottle they saw at Walmart. I'm very impressed with the quality of this shine, and it does protect. I've been using this on my truck. It does help. It does last a long time. That's the painted caliper that you see there. Like I said, not the perfect job, not the best job, but you know, just a DIY, a little DIY project here. But yeah, you can see the shine on that wheel. It looks really nice. And my wheels are kind of scratched. You guys see there's a little spot there. But I need to re-clean them. But yeah, the shine looks really nice. I'm really impressed with this. And then I'm jacking up the car, taking the jack stands off, and then just lowering it. I gotta say, really did nice jack there from Daytona Harbor Freight. Really did great with these jacks. I gotta say, I'm really impressed with these jacks too. It's probably the best jack I ever had, because my old one kept having issues. And yeah. And also, after I finished after I jacked it down, everything was in the floor. I did use my torque wrench to torque it into spec. Make sure you torque your lug nuts, everything. Every time you're taking a tire off or anything, you gotta torque your lug nuts. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more Turbos to Deals, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.